Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is an important day because today we have CPI coming up. As we all know, for the forex market, CPI is an important event. So at the time of CPI, market will be volatile. So you can see that we have a long list of events. So GBP pairs will also be volatile after a few hours, and then directly the impact will be seen on the US dollar pairs. So my dear friends, as I always say, if you're a beginner, new trader, then try to avoid trading at a time of news. News trading may be very lucrative, but keep in mind it is not possible for anyone to predict the market. If someone um, claims that he can predict the market, stay away from this kind of person because it is not possible for any one of us. Observe the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital at the time of news. Okay, so let's watch the market sentiment. You can see gold trades in tight rates ahead of key US inflation data. Gold steady as markets await US CPI data. So we can expect that more or less there will not be much volatility before US CPI, and market will remain within this range only. And if you look at a chart of dollar index, USD index or DXY, we can see that DXY is still running inside the range, and after CPI data, okay, let's assume that market fails to meet the expectation, then there is a possibility of interest rate hike, and that will be bullish for DXY. And if that happens, okay, we will see upside on the US dollar index, and if DXY starts going up, then we will see gold going down. And in case market meets the expectation, okay, and if we see that inflation numbers are quite low, okay, then okay, it is not considered as a good news for the dollar index, because see, overall it means the economy is improving, and it means that Fed will not be going for rate hikes. So in that case, we may see dollar index or DXY going down and gold going up. Anyways, this is just theory. At the time of news, market behaves like a wild animal, so be careful. Okay, so if DXY really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross 104.60, then only it will be a trend continuation. And if you look at the chart of gold here, then number of trading opportunities are very limited because the volatility will also be limited. So on the chart of gold right now, the strongest resistance, where is the strongest resistance, my dear friend? 2040 to 2044. This is the strongest resistance, but we can clearly see on the chart the strongest level is far away from the current market price, and hardly there's any chance that market will be going to this level. The second strongest resistance is around, or the strongest sellers are present around 2032. Okay, 2032 to 2036. But here also, okay, we have strong sellers. But problem is that, okay, market is not very volatile and chances of market going to this level are very low. So you can keep your eyes on 2028 and 2026. Let me write it down. Okay, if you see market going 2026 and 2028, observe the market around this area. Yes, during the day when the volume of the market is low, you can expect the market to reverse. And especially before any big event like NFP or CPI, market doesn't have much volatility and volume. In that case, try to avoid breakout or breakdown trades. Okay, so in this case also, though we have strong levels present on the chart, but they are far away. So as a result, before CPI, we need to look at the minor levels, and if we get opportunity we can go for the trades. So the first level is around 2026, 2028. If market goes up and reverses, we can look for a sell before CPI, and chances of market going to 2032, 36 or 44, okay, these levels are very less, so let's not talk about it. And if you're wondering where is the support, then yes, before discussing about the buyers, okay, I would like to tell you one thing, that if we observe the present structure of the market here, then we can see the market is bearish. Means if 100 traders are present on the market right now, 65 to 70 are on the sell side. and 30 35 are on the buy side. So who have an advantage here? So in this market, okay, sellers are having dominance, they are having the advantage. So as a result, taking a buy at support is riskier because buyers are weak, sellers are strong. So in most of the cases, whenever you'll be going against the trend of the market, or you'll take trade against the trend of the market, there is a high chance that the trade may fail. For example, in this case, sellers are dominating, buyers are a little weak. So if next support is around 2010 to 2009, but if you see market is standing at here, standing at a level, and if you go for a position, then there's a good chance that this may fail as well because sellers are having the advantage. They are much more in number. Okay, so that's why volume also, okay, comes in. Means in presence of less volume, okay, so to break any level, okay, to break 2000 level, 1980, any level, market requires volume. And during the Asian session and European session, you can expect the market to take support around 2010 level. Okay, 2009, 2010. If market takes support around 2009, 2010 during the Asian and European session, you can look for a buy. But after CPI, if you are thinking that market will take support around this area, chances are very less. Almost 80% chances are market breaking the level and going down. So before CPI, we have this level where we can look for a sell, and if market doesn't go up and if market comes down, we can look for a buy around this area. Apart from these two levels, okay, we do not have any other trading opportunity on the chart of gold right now. And if you are looking for trading opportunities after CPI, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, it is not about gold or forex. Okay, in any market of the world, it is not possible for any retail trader, okay, to predict the market. And that is a bitter reality. Many people claim that with fundamental analysis they can predict the market from before. Many telegram groups also claim that they can predict the market. Just stay away from them. And one day if you see me predicting the market before news, then try to stay away from me as well. Anyways, try to follow the trend of the market. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Just one thing I will say, that if you see that the actual number, okay, actual number is near the forecast, okay, it doesn't matter whether it is positive or negative, okay, then there's a high chance that market have already digested the news, and you may see market just showing spikes. And in case market shows a big margin, okay, between the expected number and the forecast, okay, sorry, actual number and the forecast, then you may see a trending market. So always look at the margin. My dear friends, one announcement, that is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again after a lot of requests. I was planning to conduct a workshop in the month of April, but I have received a lot of requests, so yes, it is back again. दोनों language में होता है, Hindi and English. So my dear friends, if you are struggling with the market, okay, if you are unable to make profit, then you can consider joining the workshop. आपको link description में मिल जाएगा. All the links will be in the description. My dear friend, these it's a 3 days workshop. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see these are the topics that we'll be discussing during the workshop, and after the workshop, okay, there will be 4 weekly sessions, so there will be total 7 classes, and these are the topics. So if you already have joined the previous workshop, then you don't need to join this one. Okay, it will be the same thing. Okay. And you can see the next dates are English classes 1, 2 and 3, 1st, 2nd, 3rd of March. These are the timings. And for Hindi classes 9, 10 and 11th of March. And if you're unable to attend, no need to worry, I record each and every session because people from all around the world participate, and because of time difference they cannot join. Okay, so the recordings will be there, and everything will be everything is there on the website, my dear friends. And during the 1 month, okay, during the 1 month support, okay, you will receive regular market updates, trade setups. You can also access to our community. Let me show you. Okay, if you join now also, okay, you will get free updates like this. Okay, you can see this is our WhatsApp group where I update trade setups about the market, everything, okay, about the news. Today also we have a live session for CPI, and this is our community on Telegram. Okay, you can see where people, okay, you'll meet people, you'll meet trader, you no, you will meet traders from all around the world. It's a very colorful community, very lively group. Okay, it's very nice for learning. So if you join now also, okay, you'll get free access to this. And after a workshop, obviously you'll be entitled for the support as well. So okay, if you are looking for learning, then yes, you can consider the workshop. You can see it's a 3 days workshop, 1 month support. And if you're looking for personal sessions, because yes, trading takes time for doubt clearance and all, okay, you can look for semi-annual and lifetime support as well. Everything is very affordable, and these are the payment options. Once you are done with the payment, just send a screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also mail me here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you. Thank you so much.